Tashala Bagra called Agune should be heard Renoni Holnago, Haste Haponi, Luajum Bakasha Bonuti, Hosapanda Kaizaka, Asal Pada Famajaka, Hakotani Jumble, Naipone, Dr. Partho, Sarti Mishra, Nogimajaka, Renoni, Renfumira, Hobby Kobuni Rock, Tatimushan Gas and the Pandachaki Fika, Hakotani Jumble, Naipone, Partho, Sarti Mishra.
We are very unique and we have set a golden standard. Now, if you people are not conscious of your right, then you cannot be conscious of your responsibilities. You should participate in the election process because you must choose who would govern you. The democracy, that's why it's called the best form of government, because they have given you a choice that you can exercise your power. And do you know there is another feature has come up recently, that you have the option of not voting anybody. In the EVM, you have a noted also clause. You have the option of not choosing anybody if you do not like any of the candidates. So these are all changes have come, and lot of new things have come up. For example, during the COVID protocol, how the elections can be managed. The COVID has receded, but the elections are still conducted within the COVID protocol. So how it is to be managed, how the social distancing in the polling stations or any other campaigning places, that is very clearly defined. There are many amendments with regard to postal ballots. It's a new concept. People who are unable to come and vote, 80 years plus, or maybe disabled, or maybe COVID positive cases, or service voters, those who belong to Agartala but they are walking outside. So these people are also covered by the postal ballot. Agartala. So in connection with elections, I am with you. Then you may ask me, sir, why have you come to us? You should have gone to the general public and you could have told them. My concerns are here that I'll come down. I will just quote a Greek philosophers that if good people do not enter into the electoral process, then they should be prepared to be governed by the bad people. That simply means that each of you who is already a voter, first time voter, or who is going to be a voter after a few years, you all should have a say in the governance. Voting is in fact, as your sir told, is a right, and many students, they are not aware of the electoral process, what the voting is. I will tell you that voting is actually, every election is like a national festival. The way you celebrate your festivals like Durga Puja and all, this is like a festival. You must celebrate every election. The difference is that the festivals come every year, the election comes once in 5 years, or maybe sometimes like by-election in between. Because of the exigencies is coming. Our entire purpose is that each of you should be sensitized, motivated, so that you can be a part of the governance, part of the democracy. In fact, the more the students participate, the more the youngsters participate, that would prove that how successful your democracy is. That's why we always say that conduct of election is always a test of democracy. Margaret Thatcher, anybody knows about Margaret Thatcher? Who's she? Margaret Thatcher, कोई पता है किसको? Margaret Thatcher, the ex-Prime Minister of UK, she in fact commented that Indian electoral process has set a golden standard in conducting elections. We have so many variations, so many problems. Still then, the elections are always held in due time. Elections are never postponed. So the democratic process, with all its odds and difficulties, all its crises, still we carry on the tradition. That is why we are very unique and we have set a golden standard. Now, if you people are not on entire electoral process, So that is why we wish that all of you, you should have a sense of election. जिसको पता भी नहीं है, you should understand कि how, what the elections are. Because this is the by-election. After 7 months, we are going to have your assembly elections again. In 24, we are going to have the parliamentary elections again. Many of you are not eligible today. May be eligible next year. Maybe next year you will be eligible. Cast your vote. So the entire process is just to motivate you, to involve you, so that you can exercise your right at the right moment. The entire Election Commission of India gives only one slogan. It says, no voter should be left out. Our target is that every voter, whichever category he or she may be, maybe she is the first time voter, or she may be very old, or she is disabled, or he is disabled, anybody, every voter needs to be touched upon, motivated, bring to the fold. That is why it is called the involvement of students and the first time voters in electoral process. And then you may ask that, sir, hum to vote dene ke liye, we are not eligible, then why you are addressing us? The entire motto of addressing you is that maybe you are not eligible. You will be eligible after 2 years. But maybe your brothers and sisters, your parents, your grandparents who are eligible, you can also motivate and facilitate. Vote deke aiye. Or your neighbors or your friend circle, or you can WhatsApp say, no, 23rd June being the election day is a holiday, but still we will go and cast our vote. You can just pursue them. So the message has to go very clear and loud that all of you should go and participate.